Sit. Yes, sir.
Kill something.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Kill him.
Kill him. Kill him. Nice.
Go.
4 shells, and then I was like, my next shot, I didn't know it was coming off. I didn't know it was gonna shoot.
Plug.
Plug.
Plug. Hey, what we gonna do, huh?
We gonna do some treacherous bull, bro.
Wow.
It's pissing rain. We're about to go sit in a pit blind in a dry rice field. Had, I don't know, a couple thousand geese stacked up in it yesterday. We're gonna go run the rag spread, try to stay dry, try to stay warm, bust down on the snow geese, bust down on the speckle belly, and drink energy drinks and smoke nicotine.
We never really goose hunted in a dry rice field, so this will be quite interesting, I'd say.
A completely unique hunting experience to this place. Never in our entire hunting careers here have we ever hunted a dry rice field, so it could get freaky.
Yeah. They never really get in there, but
Hunter, hit him with
they never really get in the dry rice, but Hayes watched them do it yesterday, so we're going to see if we can bust that ass. Sorry in advance about the rain on the freaking camera screens, you know.
deal with it.
Yeah, I can't tell the rain to stop, so. Alright, it's raining, but not bad, just a little drizzle. This, if you're an OG viewer, is the pit blind that we were fixing up this year. We hadn't been able to hunt it because there's no water in here. But wouldn't you know, the geese took to her. So it is looking good. I mean, we got an absolute cave going on. Hunter, say hello. Hunter.
Hey.
Hey.
What's up, guys?
Nice cave going. And about 10 billion rags out there. Alright, we're gonna get up in the pit blind. Put these black dogs in their box. What's up, black dog? You cold or something? Oh my god.
Plug's flare, bro.
They don't like
Not at all.
a snow goose. That's the they don't like. What up with that,
What's your move?
Hunter? Huh? Oh,
Bust my
spit. Take him.
What's the one? What y'all want, the whites or the dark? If I can kill some, I'm gonna try. We're about to kill a blue. Yeah, I know. That's all I was asking.
You want to kill?
Yeah.
Nice shot. Nice shot, Hayes.
Oh, I was trying to find another bird. Good, here.
Special goose.
Hey, come here. Come here, Izzy. Hey, good dog. Watch these 2 whites right out in front. And the 2 darks. You tell me when. Kill him first. We got that. I got him on the last shot. Yeah,
Got him on the last shot.
Yeah, I did too. I hit the same.
Izzy.
Oh, get.
Oh, get ready, get ready, get ready.
Here. Here. Good. Right here. Here. Izzy. Here.
Hold on, Hayes, hold on.
Here. No, Izzy. Izzy.
Hayes, right on top.
Go.
Kill him. Nice. Shooting.
Triple
Wow.
tap. That's what you call
Wow.
it. Maggie, here.
Wow.
Maggie.
I'm sorry, she wasn't.
No, you're good.
Call that one a triple tap. Good, here. Here. Have a good day.
Hooray!
Or Hunter, do you want him?
You got a strap going?
Yeah.
Bet. Bring it here, bring it here.
Good dog.
Good. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Hunter?
What?
Good girl.
Where that? Where that? Where that? Where that?
Oh.
Kill all three. Serious? We definitely
Here.
kill all three.
Serious?
We definitely
Here.
kill all three.
Here.
Maggie.
We killed
Here.
Yeah.
Izzy here. Izzy here. 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 Here.
Bring me that Rossi, girl.
Hey,
one. Nice. Rossi.
come here.
Stud Ross.
That's a pretty bird.
Kennel.
Hello, Ross.
Sit. Come here. No. Here. You kill him. He's still alive. Sit.
I can do that, sir.
Sit.
Well, that gives me joy.
Sit.
Other than not killing the other two,
No.
that kind of
Sit.
sucks.
Sit.
Alright, guys, he died for our sins. Shot.
Ooh, the big wad of gooses get up.
Wanna kill him?
Try.
Poking bears, baby.
Got him.
Oh, I didn't know that all million pajamas.
No. Here. Maggie. Here. Kennel. Hey.
She's on that joint.
It's right there.
Here.
Dead bird.
Yeah. Sit.
No, 4 coming.
Sit.
Get ready on him.
Sit.
We'll watch when we shoot.
Sit. 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 Sit.
Go, go, go.
Man, did one fall?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They might get the other one now.
Oh.
Good dog. All right, here.
Oh, look, one just died.
Another one.
On our side. Heart attack.
Here.
He's coming back.
Good. Good. Kennel.
Oh, watch a 3-pack low. Left side.
Mm-hmm.
Killable.
Yeah. Get ready. Let these come in close.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Kill him. Oh my God.
Kill him.
Go. Oh my God.
Two good.
Maggie.
Two.
Maggie's 2.
All right.
Load my gun again.
Yeah, the spec is on the levee.
Like on the left.
Close to it. I'm going with you. Though. Let's go.
Hey, no.
I'm ready, Papa. Sit. 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 Sit.
Really? Got him. Got him.
Got him again. I'm done. I'm done on specs, bro. Like, here. Good girl. I'm done. Here.
Good, here.
Good girl. Look at that mother.
Wow.
Look at that one.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Where'd that other bird go?
Good, here. Come on.
Look at that mother.
What else is out there?
There's a snow and there's 2 snows and a speck.
Yeah.
Mr. Hunter. Right here. Here. Maggie. Here. Oh, Maggie. Come here. Heel. Okay, find it. Back. Get that mother. Good. Get it. Good dog. Good dog, Maggie. Here. Give it to me. It's gonna run again. Oh my God. Good dog. Come back. Yeah, we're doing good.
How much closer do you want?
We gotta take the next low pass.
Right here, we're gonna go.
Alright. Alright. Kill him! Oh! I went 2 for 3. Sick. Alright. Kill him! Oh! Yeah,
Pick
dude.
it up, easy.
Yeah.
Everyone
Pick it
went
up.
2 for 3.
Pick it up.
I went 2 for
Good.
3.
3
Here.
birds
3?
fell. Yeah.
Really?
Good dog. Hey,
I got-
good.
Everyone went 2 for 3.
I got 2
Hey,
on
hey.
camera for sure.
Here. Good, here.
Bring it here. Good. Good.
3 birds.
I think we all picked the exact same bird because I felt just as confident
Really?
as you fellas did.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, there was one lead.
You can grab that one too.
Oh, there's hella snows. Is that him?
Me and Zach had to clap.
Nice
Not
job.
happening, man. Nope. We do not do
Good, here.
triples anymore.
The snows were joosting too.
Here.
Snows though.
Nice specky.
Here. Good color on them.
Bring that joint here.
Here. Here.
We'll go.
Here. Here.
I'm going to.
Sit. Sit. Good.
Kill. Got a speck though.
I need to put that collar on.
Need a
I'll pass her on down.
Oh, look at that joint.
The
Hey.
specs are doing it.
Oh, the chickens? Dear God. Lord save them. The Lord.
Oh, they're doing it. Oh, there's so many more. Hey,
Sit.
let them land.
Okay.
They're on the left.
Sit.
Shoot your lane.
Sit.
The same birds.
No. Sit.
Definitely hadn't lost him yet. Dear God, look at him. What y'all think?
I like to shoot. Sit. Sit. Sit.
I can't tell. I think it's a blue.
Coming back.
Yeah, they're all coming up.
Sit. They're sitting up hard. This is gonna be it. Oh yeah.
Are they landing?
Yes. Just get ready. Sit.
Get ready. Yes, sir. Kill something! Oh.
Yes, sir.
Kill something!
Oh, nice! Nice! Woo!
That's what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
buddy. Yeah, buddy.
How many did we kill?
I think I dropped 2. No, I dropped 1, but I think I dropped 2, but me and you might have been on the same one on the first shot.
I thought I killed one on my second shot.
Oh, then yeah, I dropped 2.
Here.
I mean,
Good. Here. Good. Come on. Come on. Izzy. Bring it here. Bring it here. What you got?
a turkey. No, it's alive. Not no more. Izzy. Good dog. Here. Izzy. Izzy, come here. Good puppy.
Yep, that was
Sit.
nice.
That was the one, dude.
I enjoyed it very much. Oh, just about.
Got him.
Same Blue Goose. He's a horner. You ready? Kill him.
Sit. No, sit. Sit. It's sit. Y'all really gonna make it?
Jesus Christ.
Sit. Maggot.
Bro, my first shot had him tweaking off the
Izzy,
rander.
here! I just had to.
Izzy! I know. I've been trying to kill that for 10 minutes.
8 minutes now. Izzy, here.
Jeez.
No. Come on.
Maggot,
Come on.
kill
Come
him.
on.
That was
Come
fun
on.
though.
Fetch it up. Hey, fetch it up. God, fetch it up. Let's go.
Bring me my blue goose.
Hey. You peeled?
Nah.
No, he's coming back.
Sit.
Sit.
Dear God. Stay on.
Go.
You're lying. Oh, nice shot, Hunter. Nice
Maggie.
shot.
Sit.
R.I.P. the eardrum,
Sorry.
but I respect it.
Hey,
I respect
air high
it.
five.
Air
bro.
high five.
No, it's way to the left. To her left.
Go way back that way.
Like she's going to it.
Going straight to it and turning and going
Garrett,
straight to it.
there it is. Nice.
Good dog. Hey, very
This
good.
is it's sick.
Very
Black
good.
dogs, bro.
Black dogs that
Black
are
dogs
working.
are the
Very
way.
good. Dude, he's a little bitty.
Yeah.
Little. He crunks like a duck, him.
Good shot, dude. Wait. He peeled.
Sit, sit, sit.
Yeah, he peeled.
Right there.
Kill him?
Sit.
Bro.
I mean, you
Smacked him.
You raked him.
Smacked him down.
In the head, too.
WWE.
Sit.
WWE style. Shotgun shells don't work anymore.
They're coming.
Oh my god. Get loud.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. No. Spin. Sit.
Oh.
You ready?
You going on those?
You ready?
That's cool. Let him get above us.
Go!
I busted that joint.
My gun clicked as well.
Go!
I busted that joint.
My gun clicked as well.
When I bust my gat, she jumped
Good,
over. it.
good.
Big dirt now.
Good, here!
How?
Here!
How? How? Pick it up! Pick it up! Pick it up! Pick it up!
Maggie, fish! Here!
I was on
Good
one
dog,
too,
here.
boy.
I busted.
Hey,
Boy, I was on one.
anybody got a spare shell?
Bro, mine are clicking.
Easy.
Hold on.
Easy. Here.
Good dog.
Easy. Here.
All right, it is 11:45 and we got to be out of here by 12, so we're packing up super early. We got a dip and we will show you all the geese at the camp. Absolute banger. 3 mana specs, ungodly amounts of snows.
Lots of snows. It was a good trip. Rainy, miserable, cold, but the geese were flying.
Yeah. Dog off the Percocet.
It's a good one.
Here you go.
God. Oh god. Oh god, it's a good one. I can't get it out of the.
You need some help, Goblin?
There we go.
Come on, Johnny.
Need some
Just
help,
switch them down. Hi.
Goblin?
God.
God, he couldn't get the...
I can't get the strap out the ball.
Never in my days. One more goose and you might not have been.
Oh my god.
Try to pick it up. You think I'm Try to pick it up.
Whoa!
Holy
Oh!
yeah, nephew, I wasn't playing.
Oh!
So many. I cannot wait to stand up.
Now that's a pile. That's a pile.
That's a bunch.
What's the count, old son?
43 birds. My fingers aren't working so good. It's pretty cold.
One of mine. Two of mine are split open. That's epic. Yeah, what a day. We got 2 black dogs doing absolute work.
New Izzy in the chat.
Izzy in the chat. First week of hunting, and she's doing just about as good as you could ask. I mean, like you said, breaking a little bit, but
Mild breakage, but we're gonna work on that. I had to like wall her off at the end there. But
I mean, hey, as long as I ain't got to get out the pit blind, I'm pretty happy.
absolutely.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's our first hunt where we've had like some really good spins. Last year we did that like a whole bunch, but
In the exact same pit blind.
yeah, last year was a dry, just completely bare field, and we did that many times. But this is the first year we've been able to unlock the code. So, hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the freaking next one.